Hi viewers, welcome to AM Technologies. Today I am going to explain you about second PUC SQL second practical, that is create a student database and compute the result. So here we have to create a table. In that table we have to create some six fields, some six fields along with the student ID, student name. Okay, next subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6. Next, and then we have to add two more fields, percentage and a result. Okay, so for that, first we have to create a table. So we have to log in into our user. So my username is, to log in we have to use command connect. My username is system. By default username will be system, and the password which we have given at the time of installation of the software, that password we have to give. Okay, password, make sure the password is in capital letters or small letters. If you have given in small letters at the time of software installation, means then you have to give password as small letters only. Okay, so next, so press enter. It has connected to the user. Now we have to create a table. So for creating a table we have to use command create. Next, table. Okay, so next, what we have to mention, we have to give table name. Table name is student master. Okay, in that some fields are there. Student ID is one field and its data type is number. Okay, and up to 4 digits it has to take. Next, one more field is student, no spaces. Instead of space we can use underscore. Okay, student name. The data type of this field is varchar 2 up to 25 character data type. Okay, so up to 25 letters it will accept or it will take. Next, subject 1, one more field name is subject 1 marks. Okay, and that data type is, and its data type is number. Okay, up to 2 digits it has to take. Next, one more field name is subject underscore marks, and its data type is number only. So all are 2 digits only. Next, subject 3 marks space number of 2 comma subject 4 underscore marks, and its data type is number of up to 2 digits. Next, subject 5 underscore marks space data type is number up to digits. Okay, next, comma, subject 6 underscore marks space data type is number up to 2 digits. So now we have to close this parenthesis and put terminator, press enter. So now table has been created. Next, we have to add the values into these particular tables in this or in these particular fields. Okay, so we have to enter the records. How we have to enter? See, by using insert command. Okay, so now we will add the values into this table. Okay, we have to use insert command into table name student underscore master space values parenthesis id of the student. Okay, so for student id, what data type we have uh, we have defined number. Okay, that's why we no need to mention the value of student id in the single quotes. Okay, next, student name, it and its data type is varchar. That means we have to use single quote to mention that particular value. Student name is Anu Tara. Okay, single quote, comma, and next is subject 1 marks number. How many digits we have to give? 2 digits, 67. Okay, the next is subject 2, its data type is number up to 2 digits only, 82 we are giving. So for number data type we no need to mention and the value in single quotes. Okay, so next is subject 3 86 comma subject 4 90 comma subject 5 56 comma subject 6 78. Okay, so 6 subjects, each subjects up to 2 digits only. See, 1 2 like that. 6 subject marks we have given. Put semicolon or terminator, press enter. One row has been created. Use up arrow mark to copy the above record or to copy the above record for next next command also. Okay, so next, again we have mentioned insert into student master values double O. So the next id is student id is 1127. Okay, name is Bhargavi. Next, marks 56. We'll copy this. Okay, 1127. Okay, if we copy means again we have to alter. That's why one by one we will enter. Okay, next Bhargavi. Okay, next 56 comma 69 comma 78 comma 34 52 59. Press 56 69 78 34 52 59. Enter. Use up arrow mark again. The next student ID is 1113. Okay, name is Manjunath. Okay, Manjunath 45 comma 47 comma 51 comma 40 comma 50 comma 51. Next 1121 Bhavani. Bhavani 28 36 45 34 comma 37 comma 39. Press enter. Next 1122. Okay, Pritham 34 56 34 comma 56 comma 68 comma 79 comma 80 comma 96. Press enter again. 1125. Okay, Sanjay 78 comma 89 comma 90 comma 96 comma 95 comma 92. Okay, press enter again. Use a parameter. Use a parameter. Okay, next 1129 Kishan 77 comma 84 69 70 79. Press enter. 1123. Name is Savyasachi. Okay, 78 comma 89 comma 86 comma 88, comma 90, comma 85. Press enter. Double 120. Varun. 56, comma 30, comma 35, comma 47, comma 55, comma 54. Next, Joseph. Double 11119. Name is Joseph. 66, comma 69, comma 60, comma 70, comma 81, comma 59. Okay, patient. So all the data we have entered. Now if we want to see the structure, means we have to use desk command. Okay, DAC, desk, and the table name. Table name is student master. Okay. See, student ID is the field name and its data type is number. Student name, field name, and data type is varchar. Okay, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4. So three columns we have to add here. Total, percentage marks, result. Okay, so three columns have been added. Now if you want to calculate the total, means we have to use, see, update command. We have to use student update student master is a table where set what it has to set total. Okay, is equals to subject 1 marks plus subject 2 marks plus subject 3 marks, subject 4 marks, subject 5 marks, subject 6 marks, where student id is greater than 0. If the student id is less than 0, means, or student id is 0, means no need to total. Okay, if the student id is greater than 0, then only it has to total. Press enter. 10 rows updated. Next it has to calculate percentage. To calculate percentage, update command we have to use, and table name is student master. Okay, set what it has to set, percentage is equals to percentage marks. Okay, here we have defined percentage marks. Okay, is equals to what, total divided by 6.0, where student id greater than 0. Okay, so where student id is greater than 0, then it has to calculate percentage marks, like total divided by 6.0. Okay, press enter. 10 rows updated. Next it has to calculate whether the particular candidate has failed or passed. Okay, that one it has to uh, calculate. For that we need to use update command. Update student master is a table. Okay, set result. Okay, here we have defined that field name is equals to pass when where subject is equals to where subject sub1 marks greater than 35 and subject 2 marks, okay, greater than 35 and subject 3 marks greater than 35 and subject 4 marks greater than 35 and subject 5 marks greater than 35 and subject 6 marks greater than 35. So all the subjects, and we are using means in subject 1 and subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6. In all subjects, he or she has to cross 35 marks. Okay, then only result it has to show as pass. Okay, next again it has to check. Okay, fail in any subject means we have to use instead of and, or we have to use that means in any one subject, if uh, if the value of any one subject less than 35 means the result will be fail, it will show as fail. Okay, okay, next then what it has to calculate, next it has to show the contents of the table, or it has to retrieve the all the records from the table. For showing the contents and retrieving the all records, same command, select, okay, star from table name is student master. Okay, here student id, student name, subject 1 subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6, total percentage result. So student id, student name, subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks, subject 3 marks, subject 4 marks, subject 5, subject 6, total marks. Okay, and the percentage is 68%, result is pass. Next here, next one is here also we can see student ID, name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6, and total marks, percentage, and the result. Like that, for all the 10 records, it will be calculated and it will be displayed. Next, what we have to see? We have to see the command to retrieve only student ID and student name of all the students. For that, what we have to do? Select. Okay, what we have to select? Student ID. Okay, comma student name from student master. Okay, from these fields we have to get the records from student ID and student name. We have to get the records. See, these are the student IDs and these are the student names we have got. Next, command to list the students who have result as pass. Only pass students list we have to get. For that, what we have to write? We have to use select command star from student master table. Okay, where result is equals to what? Pass. Terminate. So these are the students who have passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members have been passed. Next, select students who have been failed. For that, instead of pass, we have to mention fail. Okay, press enter. 1, 2, 3, 4 students have been failed. Okay, that 4 records it is showing. Next, select count the number of students who have passed. For that, we have to use select command star select count of star from student master where result is equals to pass. Okay, 6 members are there. For same thing, select students select count to count the students who have been failed. Okay, this command we have to write select count in parenthesis star mark or asterisk from table name. We have to mention student master where result is equals to fail. Okay, press enter. So 4 members are there who have been failed. Next, count the number of students who have percentage more than 60. Okay, for that select star from student master where percentage marks greater than or equal to 60. Okay, so that students details only will be shown who have crossed 60%. So these are the 6 students are there who have got more than 60 percentage. Okay, next, the next command is command to sort the student list according to the student ID. So in jumbled format we have data. Okay, see, select star from student master. Okay, we will see the data. We have here id say 1121 is there, 1122 is there, 25 is there, 29 is there. See again 23. There is no proper format or proper order to make in to keep the data in proper format according to id. Means what we have to do, we have to use select command star from student master order by. Okay, order by student id. Okay, like this we have to mention. Okay, now if you see means 20 is there, 21, 22, 23, next 24, 25, 27, 29. There is a proper form. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.